Do you want to build a futuristic business in food industry? Do you have a dream, an idea to build a business in food industry? You want to develop that idea further? Then this is the video for you. Today we are going to talk about the future of food industry. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. My name is Dr. Nitin, and I talk about various business idea for entrepreneurs so that they can build their businesses. I give various marketing tips, strategies, ideas, and resources so they can grow their business. So if you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any future updates from this channel. So without further delay, let's start with today's topic, that is the business of food. What is the future of food industry? If you are interested to know what is that going to happen, or what are the trends that are already happening, and what ideas you can generate from those trends. So we are going to talk about those trends today. So let's begin with today's session. So the very first idea or the trend that is happening right now is the online grocery shopping. You might think that it appears very normal and very uh, a standard in today's time. But if you look in the past, it was not even existent. This online grocery shopping were not even existent. So we need to understand this online grocery shopping and delivery is reshaping how people will buy the ingredients, raw materials, or even ready-made food. And let me tell you, it's not even reached its fullest potential. It's the current trend that we are looking at is just the start of the industry, and it has been triggered by the convenience, and it has been accelerated by the pandemic. It has made a part of a lifestyle, of my lifestyle, your lifestyle. So it is going to stay for a longer time, especially for metro cities, tier 1, tier 2 cities. It has definitely reshaped how people are buying and consuming the grocery. And the mobile apps are also promoting organic and locally sourced food as a healthier and sustainable lifestyle. So currently now the food is not only just a consumption material or consumption thing. It has become part of your healthy lifestyle, a trendy lifestyle. So it has become a part of lifestyle. It's not just a food anymore. It's not just a consumption material. So you need to understand this trend very well much. Then the next trend is precision agriculture. Yes, my dear friends, we are a agricultural nation, but unfortunately, we are losing that touch with the agriculture. But somehow, because of few innovative entrepreneurs, India is coming back to this agricultural business. It has been the livelihood for a longer period of time, but again now it is taking a new revolution. What is actually this precision agriculture? So basically, it is a modern method of farming, uh, utilizing various technology for more precise and efficient management of resources, because all the land, water, and other climatical factors are beyond control of any farmer, and those are limited. So in spite of those limitations, how you can grow crops very efficiently and sustainably, that is something comes under precision agriculture. So this is revolutionizing the future of farming in India in terms of efficiency, in terms of sustainability. So you need to take care of this trend and you need to design a business idea based on this trend. So apart from this, the technology is definitely reshaping this trend and it is taking approaches which are beyond the traditional approaches. So just to give example, the protein powders from algae or maybe 3D food printing for customized and innovative dishes is something very trending and it is definitely reshaping because of this precision agriculture. So you need to definitely consider this trend if you are interested to build your future in food industry. Then smart kitchens and AI. AI is the topic of the current trend and it how it can leave the kitchens and the agriculture. So definitely it has reached to the AI has reached to the kitchens in the form of various kitchen gadgets which are becoming very smart gadgets and it is uh, helping to create various cooking and personalized recipes for individuals and families. So smart kitchen is basically integrating AI for improved cooking experiences for the even the smaller homes and even for the businesses. So smaller smart kitchens is not just for individual or small families, but it's for businesses also. So can you think of any business ideas in this trend? So let's move to the next topic that is next trend is how the food distribution and consumption is happening. This in the area of social entrepreneurs and social influencers, social media definitely plays a definitive role how the consumers are behaving, how they are consuming the food, and how they are changing their taste preferences. That's why you need to take care of the social media trends also. What is happening on social media? Just to give example, there is a concept of lab-grown meat, which might grow too much in future with the various movements related to vegan and vegetarian food. And it may come as a sustainable alternative to real foods. And uh, there are some trends happening in real time tracking of foods. So that is something reshaping how the businesses will function, how which businesses will survive in the food industry. Not only this, you can see upcycling and repurposing of food for more sustainable food ecosystem. People are more conscious about waste food materials. They are being utilized either in form of some uh, biofuels or some kind of as a manure for your crop industry. So people are getting conscious and they are not only conscious at individual level, there are people who are building businesses. So if you are interested to build businesses in this trend, you get started right now because it's already on the horizon. And if you don't want to get bitten by the competitor, you need to start right now. Then how this molecular gastronomy or the basically art and science of food and cooking, people are using chemistry and their traditional cooking methods to create a blend of unique taste experiences. The food is right now no more of just a matter of consumption or just an energy source. It's a part of people's lifestyle. It has become taste has become their a necessary right? So you need to understand this trend. There are various food delivery apps which are connecting consumers with the various dining options because people are interested into various options, fine dining options. They have various cuisine options. So you need to think what is the business that you can build on these lines. the personalized food recommendation with the use of AI is definitely going to enhance the experiences for the consumers, for the end consumers. So, can you build some business ideas on based on this kind of trends? So, you need to think about how this future will shape up the different trends in the food industry. While talking about this, let me also talk about the challenges and concerns around this food industry. So you need to be conscious about balancing the innovation with the cooking heritage or the culinary heritage, so that the technology doesn't overpower, because the technology is there to make the process simpler, make it easier. It is not to replace the traditional or conventional methods. It will obviously replace the methods, but it should not replace the experience. Then the next concern is the automation and robots. They are replacing human hands in agriculture and food production. So you need to find balance between the technology, what is that technology bringing in, and how it's going to impact on the employment. As the technology advances, it may or may not create new opportunities for some people, but you need to understand and create that fine balance, because whenever there is a dominance of technology, believe me, there is going to be a revolution happening, and people will rebel against the technology. So you need to create that fine balance between the technology and the human employment. Then you need to draw that fine line between the traditional methods and the innovation, so that again the point is same, the technology or innovation doesn't overcome the traditional methods. So that's all, my dear friends. If you are getting those ideas, or you want to build a business on those ideas, and you want to know how you can build those businesses, you can become part of our community, where we help various business owners to conceptualize and realize their concepts or ideas into real business. So we help business owners to create, to build, and to scale their businesses in various industries. So you can check the details in the description section or the comment section of this video. Join the community. You can apply the coupon code and you can join the community for free. So if you want to become part of the community of innovators and entrepreneurs, and you want to build your future business in food industry, so join that community right now. And if you are not subscribed yet this channel, please subscribe. And if you feel this video was useful and informative, and it has given you some value, please give me a like. Your like gives me an indication that my videos are helping you. And if you have any questions or any concerns related to food business, you can ask your questions in the comment section, and I will personally reply you. We create a detailed tutorial, but you need to ask that questions in the comment section. So I hope this video has been useful for you. I will come up with one more tutorial. Till that next session, Dr. Nitin signing out.